Lot number 547 is 2 push behind rolling dumpsters. These dumpsters are about 6 foot long, 2.5 feet wide, and about 3 feet tall, just the dumpster itself. They got a metal frame. Metal frame appears to be in good shape. This one has a small dent or a bent right here on the frame. These look like they connect like a little train. They got that bar. You can connect one to the other. They're both used. They're being sold together. The plastic containers themselves look good. They show normal wear and tear, but they are solid. And this one actually holding water. All the tires are flat. The bigger tires here are real tires on rims, and they're all flat and dry rotted. The front wheels are casters, and all the casters appear to be in good shape. This tire is off the rim. So is this one. And that one is flat, but it's still on the rim. They appear to be in good shape. This is the only one that I saw has some damage. It took a hit right there, but it's still very usable. All right, so there you have it. You're buying both of them for one price. It's 2 rolling push behind dumpsters. Lot number 547. Good luck.